Hi everyone, welcome to SPM Guys channel. So in the last video we have seen how to update records or rows using update statement. So before continuing with this video, I recommend you to watch the previous video on how to update records or rows using update statement. In this video I'm going to explain you how to resolve this error code 1175. You are using safe update mode and try to update a table without a wait that uses a key column. And also I will explain you when this error occurs. So for suppose here I have customers table, and in this table I'm going to update address Chennai to the Madras. So let me write a statement: update table name set keyword, and the column I'm going to update is address. The value I'm going to give Madras, where customer underscore name is Rajesh. So let me run this query and see the error. Let me clear and then run this query so that it will be very clear. Yeah, see, if you are see this, you have the error. You are using a safe update mode and try to update the table without the key column. So basically we are passing in the where condition the customer name, which is not a key field. In the customers table, the key field is the customer ID, and since we are setting the safe mode on, we are getting this error. Let me try giving customer ID and see whether we get this error or not. So customer ID is the key column in this table, customer table, and where customer ID is 4. Let me run the query. So the query runs successfully. If you see the table data, so the address field is changed. You will get the similar error if you don't provide where constraint while updating data using update statement. So for suppose I want to update entire address field with Madras value. So in that case I don't need to provide any where condition. So if I try to run this query, I will get the same error because we have turned on the safe mode. So in order to resolve this error, go to edit, preferences, then select SQL editor, scroll down, uncheck safe updates and click OK. So now you need to reconnect. So let's connect again to the system DB. Now let me run the same query: update customers set address is equal to Madras. Maybe it's already changed to Madras. I'll give BGLR, where customer name is equal to Rajesh. Let's run. Sorry, I forgot to select the database. Use SQL Guy Store. Okay, let me run this update statement. Yeah, if you see the query, if you see the query has run successfully. So there is another way to resolve this error. So let me go back to the preferences and turn on safe mode here. So close the connection and reconnect. Okay, now we have that error. So you can write the statement set SQL underscore safe updates is equal to 0 and run the query. So first I have turned off the safe mode and then run the update statement. So to turn on the safe modes again, statement is equal to 1. So now if I try to run this statement, you will get an error. So you can turn off and then run the query and then turn it again by setting the value to 1. Actually, there is another way where you don't need to turn or off safe updates. So for suppose now the safe modes are on. Instead of turning it on or off, you can just include the uncondition and write key column customer ID not equal to 0. So now I have included the customer ID column. So let me run this query. See, the query has run successfully. So the only criteria is you need to include the key column in the where condition, and you can add other columns as well. So it is always recommended to turn on the safe modes on. So in that case, you can use the uncondition to include the key column in the where condition. I hope you find this video useful. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.